What's happening? Stop. You okay?
We are looking for a violent 103M. Asian female in her 20s escaped a few hours ago from the home of mentally insane adolescents, and she is considered dangerous.
Copy. Lucky me.
Yo, where your friends at? Is this little old you? All alone in this big bad world?
Hey, some people are really concerned about you.
You could control all the fucking bricks out there with just your mind. I mean, wow. Take your wallet out, show your appreciation.
I'm not giving you my money.
Yo, bro, what are you doing?
I don't know.
She's a fugitive, Mom.
She's a little miracle.
What you want to do?
Stop running! If you see this girl, do not look in her eyes. I know it sounds weird. Just don't do it.
I knew something freaky was gonna happen tonight. You know, when it's a full moon, I feel it in my ovaries, I swear to God.